So you might be trying to figure out if your iPhone display is actually authentic original or if it's a replacement display. Now, there's a couple ways you can kind of tell. The thing that Apple actually gave us in iOS 15.2 is actually the ability with the iPhone 11 models and newer, not including the iPhone SEs, you can actually see a parts and service history of your iPhone, and you can actually tell if your iPhone's display has been replaced. So if we actually make our way over to our settings application and then into our general and then about, you'll basically be able to see this. So what you can do is you can hop into your iPhone settings just like this. You then can scroll down until you see general, which is right here. You can then go and click on where's about, which is the first option here, and you should be able to see if your iPhone's display was actually replaced. So in this one, it actually does tell you that the specific display was replaced and it's an unknown part, meaning that it is not an original part or original display. I think if it was an original display, I think it would also tell you, but regardless, you should look out for something like this that says display and then unknown part. I've gotten that on some of my iPhones before that I bought, knowing that it had not an original display, so I wasn't really caught off guard about it. But that is the number one thing you can kind of tell. Now, another way you can kind of tell that I've seen a few people kind of mention is with the True Tone display or the True Tone option missing. Original Apple displays will actually have that True Tone option, and so if you actually swipe down from the top right of your iPhone, now if your iPhone does not support True Tone, which are like the iPhone 7s and below, then it doesn't really matter. But if you have an iPhone 8, basically all iPhones currently supported on iOS 17 and I think iOS 16 do have True Tone. So what you can do is you get into your control center here. You can hold down on your brightness toggle here, and you want to look for the True Tone option. If True Tone is there, or Night Shift, or all these options are there, then you're basically fine. But if some of these options are missing at the very bottom and you have like an iPhone 14 or something, or 13 or 12, then that basically means that your display might not be original. It might be a software glitch, but it might not be original, and that might be something you want to go and kind of look into. So that pretty much covers it up there. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.